Hello guys, in this video, I'm just going to explain how to remove the background of your images. For example, if you're doing some photo shoots and if you want to post something which you need to remove the background, it's very easy. You need not to buy any apps. Okay, in your Windows PC itself, using MS Paint, you can do it. It's very simple. Okay, take any picture. Example, I have taken some pictures here. Okay, I'm going to take this picture. I'm going to just click and drag this under MS Paint. I don't want to save this file, so don't save. I'm just going to minimize it. See, there is a background of this black color. So I'm going to choose this. There is an option under image. Okay, there is an option under image, remove background. So I'm going to click on that. It's very simple. See, the background is removed. If you want to clean something, you can do it. So now you can change that, you can save that image, save as PNG. So that's it, friends. Now I have saved it. So now I'm verifying. See, it will be under. So this is the one. So background easily removed using MS Paint. Even another one, I'm going to take it. So minimizing it. Okay, and click on this remove background. See, it's completely removed. Here, there is no background here. Just you can simply save it. And one more, I want to show that. So here, I'm going to keep that. So here, click on this remove background. That's it, friends. It's simple. So this is the way you can remove the background using MS Paint. So it's a free tool, right? So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.